morning, so
well, disaster has stricken. It's morning time, and this transmission is seized. It was supposedly rebuilt by the previous owner, but it's rusted, it's frozen, and it's junk. It is so cold out. The Toyota that keeps on giving. Somewhere under here, I have another transmission. And if that one is seized as well, I know for a fact the one in here works. Ooh, it's so cold. So I bought this truck sight unseen, and I've never seen back here. I think I bought it in Utah. My brother dragged it home. And I don't know. We'll see what's back here. Ooh, a cylinder head. There's some good stuff here. Wow. We got a cylinder head, valve cover. There's that fan I needed. Got a whole transmission and transfer case, skid plate, timing chain cover, EFI intake, another skid plate. All right. Master cylinder, fuel pump, all kinds of goodies. But today, all I need is this one. Does the tailgate work? Mint. Great news. This one's worse than the last one. It's just as seized. You can feel all the grinded gears in there. Turning the input shaft, you can just feel it grinding. So this one's junk. Looks like we're gonna have to remove this one. The hell? Ta-da! New game plan. This one's junk. That one's junk. We gotta remove this other one, toss it in the truck, see if it works. Pray to the Toyota gods. Got it? Good, me neither. Junk. Also junk. And third time's the charm. Well, so far so good. But I'm gonna have to cut a little bit of sheet metal for the 4x4 shifter. As you can see, it's hiding back there. Chop chop complete. Off to a test drive. 2 lug nuts is plenty. Test drive in 20 years. Don't do that to me. Come on now. Come on now. And she dies again. We're off. Do we have second gear? We have second gear. Do we have third gear? Fourth? And fourth. Back to third one. Do we have brakes? No brakes. 20 years. It's a long time. The fuel gauge doesn't work. Wow. 10 gauge looks to be working. And it's died. There she is. There's a good chance for all that rat poop to vibrate off. Alright, we're on pavement now. These tires are not round. Visibility is amazing. Third gear doesn't sound very happy. I just passed a cop and I'm surprised I didn't get pulled over. No hood, no lug nuts, no seatbelt, no interior, no problem. Still not overheating, but you can really smell the exhaust in here. And we made it to the gas station. Whew! Get some fresh air in here. This thing still needs some work. This is where all the exhaust is coming in. I finally got a small win. Even with these square tires, I was able to make it to the gas station. This thing has been kicking my butt lately, so it's nice to get a small victory every now and again. Now you're probably asking yourself the same thing I'm asking myself. Why? It's a good question. It probably should have ended up in the junkyard, But, you know, all it needs now is tires, rims, brakes, interior, exhaust, timing, bumpers.